Have you ever wondered what people ate long, long ago? Before there were supermarkets, refrigerators, or even farms, our ancestors had to be very clever about finding food. Let's travel back in time and discover how early humans survived and grew strong by eating the most interesting things. A long time ago, before people knew how to farm, they lived as hunter-gatherers. That meant they didn't stay in one place. Instead, they moved around, searching for whatever food nature could offer. Their meals depended on the season, what grew in the area, and how good they were at finding or catching food. Imagine you are waking up in a world full of wild plants and animals. Early people gathered berries, nuts, and roots from the forest. They might have eaten sweet wild strawberries, crunchy acorns, and even dug up roots that tasted a bit like carrots. Sometimes, they collected honey if they could handle angry bees. Meat was important too, but people couldn't buy it at a shop. They had to hunt animals like deer, rabbits, wild birds, and even huge animals like mammoths. Hunting was dangerous and needed teamwork and clever tools, like sharp sticks or stone spears. When they caught an animal, the whole group shared the meat, so everyone had enough to eat. Fish were another treat. If our ancestors lived near rivers or the sea, they fished with nets, sharp sticks, or even their hands. Fish was healthy and full of energy. Some places had more food than others. In tropical forests, people ate lots of fruit. In dry places, they might have eaten insects, lizards, or whatever was around. Far up north, ancient people like the Inuit hunted seals, whales, and polar bears. Everything changed about 10,000 years ago when people learned to grow plants and keep animals. This was the start of farming. Crops like wheat, barley, rice, and corn became important. People planted seeds and waited for them to grow. They also raised animals like cows, sheep, and chickens for milk, eggs, and meat. With farming, people could stay in one place. They built villages, then towns, and life changed forever. Meals became bigger and more varied. People baked bread from grain and made cheese from milk. They could eat fresh food or dry and store it for the winter. But even then, there were differences. In ancient Egypt, people ate a lot of bread, onions, and fish from the Nile. Ancient Chinese people enjoyed rice, vegetables, and tea. The Maya of Central America grew corn, beans, and squash, the three sisters, and made tasty tortillas. Not everything our ancestors ate sounds delicious to us today. People in ancient Rome sometimes ate flamingo tongues. Vikings made soup with whatever they found, from fish to wild herbs. Sometimes, when food was scarce, people had to eat roots and leaves just to survive. So what does all this tell us? Our ancestors were smart and adaptable. They survived by eating whatever was available, trying new foods, and inventing ways to find or grow more. Because of their cleverness, we can enjoy all the amazing foods we have today. Next time you have a snack, remember, you're part of a long history of people finding food in wonderful and surprising places.